Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush the Discover Boss. We're here on the Mandela Highway. This left filters into Portmore, and once you continue straight, you're heading into Spanish Town. So first of all guys, if you're new to the channel, you know the drill. Subscribing is free. Click that subscribe button, join the family. Remember to like the video, share the video to a friend or family, and leave your comment as well. All that helps to grow the channel. So your support can be in many different forms. So as I mentioned, we're on what they call ferry, also known as the Mandela Highway, and we're doing a drive close to Spanish Town. We'll be ending the video right at the Spanish Town bypass, so stay tuned. This is another driving video for you guys. I know a lot of persons, requesting some road trips. So yes, we're on a road trip. So stay tuned guys. Thanks for all the support, and remember to go over to my Instagram page, Raymore Reviews-Jamaica. Follow, show your support, and let's grow the Instagram as well. So we're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. Before we reach 10,000, we have to reach 7,000 though. So we're almost at 7,000. So the more you like, the more you watch, the more you comment, the more you share, that's gonna help us to reach that 10,000 mark. Thanks again guys, and enjoy the music. Mandela Highway. It's quite a bit bumpy. It has been patched probably a million times, so apologies for the bumpy video, the bumpy ride, but it is what it is. This section is a lot smoother now. So on the left is the Sherwin-Williams factory. A lot of factories out this side as well. And then after Sherwin-Williams, we have Best Dressed Chicken on the left as well. And we also have Wisinco Beverage Division. So they have a warehouse complex. And then we have the famous Lasko on the left, with a very big warehouse section as well. So all this entire building on the left is Lasko, and it continues all the way down here. So this is one of the Lasko warehouse, and it finally ends here. So we're basically in Central Village, that's the community. We're still on the Mandela Highway. But those who are familiar with this route, police is always on this stretch, even especially before the highway, it always has police, checking speed and stuff like that. So Central Village, heading into Spanish Town direction. So said, so done. So the police are on the right side. That's on the next lane. So the lane heading back into Kingston, right in front of the Central Village Police Station. That's where they're doing their spot check today. And then on the left we have a housing development by National Housing Trust. The National Housing Trust St. Catherine head office is also on the left. So this community, this housing scheme is the Union Estate. So that's them on the left. It's an apartment complex, multiple different clusters. We have some townhouse as well, and then we have NHT in the left of the screen. That's the St. Catherine office, and then to the left again is another developed by NHT and partnered with Ashram System. So I did a short video on this complex a while back. And then we have the Marti High School, which is in front of us. And also the Christel House, which is a charity school as well. So they're on the left. So this is the Christel House right over here. Alright, just a quick glimpse. And then we have Marti right over here. And then we have the roundabout right at Central Village just before you enter the Spanish Town bypass. Yeah, so it was just a quick drive showing up Mandela Highway heading to the Spanish Town roundabout. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a video link for a more detailed video I did on the Christel House, very recent. I'll also put the very first video I did on Christel House. I'll put a link for a more detailed video on the Twickenham Glaze. That's the development that's almost finished by NHT. It's kind of like Union Estate Phase 4, but they call it Twickenham Glades. And I'll also put a video link for an older video I did on the Twickenham Glades. But what I'm gonna do now, I know this started out as a driving video, but I'm just gonna show you guys a quick glimpse of how the Twickenham Glades is looking right now, because it's almost, I guess it's almost ready for occupancy. They recently opened applications about a month ago, so I know that they're almost there. So we're gonna end the video on that. Just giving you guys an update, and then I put those 4 links in the comments as well, so you guys can check out previous coverage that I've done on them. So stay tuned, watch to the end, and let's go check out the Twickenham Glades. Alright, so Marti. The Christel House.